Glitter supports batch exporting of the raw data that has been coded with Glitter into Excel files that can then be used with other programs. The exported data includes the video and channels metadata. And the exported data also includes the raw coded data from the event, position, and zone channels. Click Export View to switch to the export view from the main page. Once in the export view page, you can export the raw data by selecting that mode from the drop-down menu. To export the data, first select the folder into which the Excel files will be saved, as well as any configuration options. Next, select the input data files to export. First, select the directory to process. Then, select a filter with which to select the data files in that directory and subdirectories. The shown filter will only select files that end with the H5 extension, which is the extension of the data files. Finally, click Refresh. Glitter will now list all the matched files that are to be processed. To start the export process, press the play button to start exporting the files. It will export the files one by one until all the files are exported. The exported Excel files can then be found in the configured directory.